So what's hilarious is I just barely did an unboxing video, but I wasn't recording. So this is the unboxing of the Vevor 1800 watt DC motor, which I've already unboxed because I already did this video, but let's just do it again. Anyway, packaging's already open because I already opened it. But what you get in the box is a brushless DC motor controller. This thing is weighty. So this is a 33 amp 48 volt motor. This must have more MOSFETs than the other motors that I've had, or it's tuned to 1800 watts because the 1000 watt and the 1200 watt controllers for my e-bikes were not close. We're not even close to as hefty as this one. And then it did come with a throttle, which I do appreciate. But I can use the throttle that's already on the e-bike. I don't necessarily need to swap this out. And I'm going to have a giant battery. I'm going to build a 26 amp hour battery. Kitty's in the back asking for her dinner. I've already fed her dinner, but she hasn't checked yet. Kitty, I've already fed her dinner. I've already fed you dinner. And then the motor itself is, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. It's really heavy. Feels like it's made out of lead. How heavy is this? It's just copper. It must just be copper. 4,500 RPM, max 5,600 RPMs, 48 volt DC, 1,800 watts. My goodness, this thing is so heavy. And this is so heavy. So the issue we're going to run into are these screws right here. So these screws screw in here. And I guess one of the issues is they're not recessed. So they actually screw down in there, but they're sticking out. So what we need to do is we need to take off these 3 screws because it's going to slip. It's going to lay flush with the SX500. But that's really it. It's already got... Oh. It's already got... How many teeth is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-tooth sprocket. Goodness, that is a very tiny sprocket. 9 teeth? We could keep the 9-tooth sprocket, or we could go for like an 11-tooth sprocket. Wait, no, it's the front. I'm gonna have to think about this because I think I have an 11-tooth sprocket as well that's already on the bike. I might just want super torque. I don't know if I want to go 30 miles an hour on this thing. I think I'd rather have more torque than less torque. So, but we'll see. Anyway, that's the unboxing of this awesome thing. This is my one and only purchase from Prime Day. Got 6% cash back, and it only cost 99 bucks. I think normally it's like 129. Anyway, I'm super excited. Hopefully the build's gonna come soon. Again, I purchased some used batteries for this. We'll see how they work because I got them for about $1 a cell, and they're 3250 milliamp hour 18650s. Pretty excited about them. I'm gonna have to make a giant battery pack because they only use about 4 amps per battery. So I'm gonna make a 10P 13S 48 volt system. It's gonna be 26 amp hours. It's gonna be massive. So we'll just be able to ride the SX500 for so long. I'm super excited about it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.